Welcome back to the series of scenario-based interview question and answer in SQL. So, our task is to retrieve last 3 records from the employee table. So, this is our employee table. In that, there are total 3 columns: employee ID, employee name, and salary. And we want to retrieve last 3 records. Okay. So, if we want to see the data, all of the records, what we write here? We can write here as a select a query. So, we write a select star from the employees table. Okay. This query return all of the data. So, we are getting all of the 10 records from the employee table. But what we want only last 3 records. So, we will modify this query little bit. We will write here just select top 3 records from the employees according to the employee ID. For that, we will use order by clause here. So, order by employee ID in the descending order. Okay. So, what we will get here? We will get here last 3 records 108, 109 and 110. Okay. So, just execute this whole query now. So, here we are getting last 3 records from our employee table. So, like this, we can retrieve last 4 records as per our requirement from the given data by using the select a query and order by clause. Okay. Till then, stay tuned for the upcoming such questions. Thank you.